What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today we're back with another video on Thursday. That's crazy, I know, right? That's like 2 or 3 in a row, 3 Thursdays in a row. It's so crazy. Anyways, I want to talk about a couple things in regards to the channel and Thursday videos and Monday videos and why not Friday hangouts. Yeah, so we're just don't really have any plans other than hanging around the house right now. May do a couple things. I'm not sure. We'll see where the day goes. We'll see where things go. Anyways, let's go.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
This one right here, we got her when she was just a puppers. Look at all that gray hair now. Look at me. Jingles. Come on. Come on, look up. You crazy dog. Yeah, this guy, they found him in a box up in Big Bear as a puppy. And so, yeah. And so her old boss was like, hey, I got a dog. I know you have a dog. Do you want another dog? And so then when he was a little puppy, even though he was a big puppy, but we went up there, saw him, and we're like, yeah, I guess he's coming home with us. And ended up picking him up, and she took care of all the vaccines from when he was a puppy and stuff. So, my beer getting in my shirt. Anyways, yeah, so those are our puppies. And then we also have a lizard, and we have a bird. He's over there enjoying his delicious bone. So, yeah, what are we talking about? Thursday videos. Yeah, so if you've seen, I've been posting a couple videos on Thursdays now. I've been trying to keep up with it. It's a little tedious. It's kind of hard to do, to make 2 videos a week. I don't know how I used to do it. I really don't. I don't. Hey, I guess that's true. I guess that's true. A big part of this is I've been working from home now for almost 4 months, nonstop, and so it's kind of different. The new normal for a lot of people, right? And I've actually I think a lot of people starting to do more YouTube stuff and jumping on the YouTube thing because they need something to do. I mean, you can't go out, right? So anyways, that's kind of what we're here doing. We're just hanging out. Wifey just got home from work. Dogs are doing dog things. It's quiet around the house. And we're just, talking about Thursday. So the plan, I think, is that Thursday videos are going to be... What is he doing?
I tickled this button.
So I think the plan is that like Thursday videos are gonna be just like vlogs maybe, and family things I do. It could be changing the oil to, I don't know, just random stuff throughout the week. I'm thinking that's kind of where Thursday videos are gonna go. There may still be motorcycle vlog videos on Thursdays, but for the most part, I want to try to keep those on Mondays and just kind of try to stick with that flow. So like my dog wants to go outside. She's like, that's how she lets you know. She like comes over here, walks to the door. She's like, I gotta poop. That's her poop walk. She walks to the door, and then she'll bark. She'll stay there until you look away and stop paying attention to her. Then she goes poop because she's so modest. And then when she's ready to come back in, she just stands there and barks at you like, open the door. If you haven't seen, this is our other pet, Spike. What up, Spike? What are you doing? And then we have a bird. We've had this bird for a long time. How long have we had the bird? Too many years. We've had the bird a long time. 5 years? I swear it's been more than 5. I don't know. I swear it's been more than 5. But no? I had to have a bird. That's true. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm thinking that's the format, and we'll see how things go. But yeah, I'm not done yet. We're smartalizing the house, if that's the word, smartalizing. Alexa, turn on the entrance. There you go. Alexa, turn entrance blue. Yeah, look at that. Alexa, turn entrance red. Alexa, turn entrance warm white.
Okay.
You gotta say warm white because otherwise the white is like not a cool color at all. I'm about to watch the 100 because, oh, no. If you guys haven't seen 100, my son got me into the 100. It's freaking an amazing show. I've been enjoying it. We've been binge watching it together, like 2-3 episodes a day or something like that. It's been fun. If you haven't seen it, I definitely recommend. So we got all kinds of snacks, which we probably shouldn't have. A lot of unhealthy snacks in there. Popcorn and caramelized corn and Cheez-Its and Ritz and chips and Pop-Tarts, and I mean, we got all kinds of stuff. It's not the best one. I think here's all our pastas. Dude, these little cereal containers are awesome. I know, we got these at Costco. Yeah. On camera, he's a good boy because he knows you guys are watching. Yeah, look at that face. No. What's for dinner? What's been being made?
Taco salad.
Ooh, taco salad. You know, I was just thinking about the whole 100 show and how I'm really liking it, but I'm finding a lot of similarities in the huh?
But she didn't like it.
Yeah, in the beginning, I really didn't like that show. I didn't want to watch it, and I tried watching it like 3 times, and every time I just stopped watching it. But I'm finding a lot of similarities in that show and how life is right now. People are like stuck in their homes, and in the 100, they're like stuck in space, and then they're stuck underground, and they're stuck in a cave, and like, yeah. But hey, what are you trying to say something about me?
Go to work.
She's trying to kick me outside of the house. She's getting tired of me. Like at 4 months of putting up with me every day, not going anywhere. The only time I go out of the house really is for going out, grocery shopping, and Costco, and it's like. What? Oh, he just sneezed all over my toes. What do you have to say about that? That's a lot of ugliness. Huh?
The dog is atrás.
The dog is atrás. Yep. She's not wrong. I don't know about you, but onions being grilled or sauteed, is that what the term is? They just smell good. This dog is gonna be the death of me. I'm so itchy now because he won't stop jumping on me. If you don't know, I'm like really allergic to dogs.
And he had to have one.
And we have 2 of them.
No.
Two big dogs.
I don't know how this one. It was a joke, and then we ended up with one.
The dramatic action shot. More than anything, I'm probably just really bugging her. I have to say, like, she can like whip something up out of nothing that always impresses me. Where I'm like, where did you make that from? And make stuff from nothing. It's pretty impressive. Oh, my beard's stuck in my shirt again. It's pretty impressive. This meathead won't leave us alone. We can't hug each other. We can't hug each other without him getting in the way and being like, me too?
This shit out of my life.
Yeah. His tail just destroys the girl's legs. They get bruises from him just from his tail. Well, I'm going all over the place, huh? Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. You see that tail? It's like a helicopter. Delicious.
Freaking out.
Alright guys, so obviously it's the next day. And I start vacation next week. But I wanted to I should have gone in there. I'm going to Sena Brothers. That's where we're going. And I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I'm just looking for flowers. I've been kind of slacking on the flower department, and so while the wifey's at work and my daughter's at work, I figure, you know what? I'm gonna go and try to see if I can get some quick flowers to give them. Nothing's fancy, nothing super special, but just something to say I appreciate them. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if Sena Brothers has flowers. I know that Vaughn's always had flowers. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go in with my helmet on. We're gonna see if we can record. We'll see. Going to see if a helmet counts as a mask. One of the reasons I've been slacking on flowers is because I don't have a freaking car. My wife has a car, my daughter has a car, I have motorcycles. So I put the old tank bag on. We're gonna see if we can get some flowers in there. See how this goes. I don't know if they're gonna have a big selection, but we'll take a quick look. Do you guys have flowers? No, flowers. Like, here, flowers. Oh, all right, thank you. Oh, I can't believe that big old sign that says floor. floral. And here we go. So the problem we have is these have water. Glitter Ninja is more of a art person, so I think we're gonna do the colorful ones for Glitter Ninja. I think, oh, these smell good in here. I think we're gonna do this, and then we'll have to lay it down. Hopefully don't damage it. See, this is one of the problems having a motorcycle. Can't buy flowers. Buy this for Glitter Ninja. Whoop. Alright, we're gonna see how this goes. You know what? We're gonna get a drink. Fuck it. Let's get a Rockstar. This is why. This is my thing. Like, I don't have a I don't have a huge way to do this. So we're gonna give this a shot. I wonder if I can. I even brought a helmet because I wasn't sure how this is gonna work out. Can we close it? Is the question. Let's see. If I bend it in, it'll push. I might be able to keep that water in there. What do you guys think? Anyways, yeah, that's I think that's the other video. I'm not gonna, you know, giving them the flowers. That's a my time kind of thing. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Something a little bit different. Like I said, hopefully that doesn't spill. If it does, whatever. Like I said, this is like a new format. I think Thursdays I'm gonna try to do things that are a little bit different from moto vlogs and see how they hold up. Oh Lord. Anyways, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, hopefully you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.